How's it going, tubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of the PS5. I cannot believe that I am actually saying this. I am extremely lucky to get this. It's one of the, basically after Christmas, this is the latest stocks that's come in the UK because of a huge scalper problem here in the UK. I don't know if other countries have this problem, but the UK sure definitely has a huge scalper problem, dude. And it's not cool, dude, because you're probably thinking, how come I got a PS5 so early? Because all of my videos, all I've been saying is I'm gonna wait 6 months, I'm gonna wait 7 months, and wait until everything gets sorted out, ironed out before I get it. But guys, here, oh my days, dude, the box is absolutely gigantic. I did not expect the box to be like this. But anyways, the reason why I got it is because the PS5 has been selling out so rapidly, as you all know. Definitely all the faulty models have gone. All the bugs have been patched out, ironed out. And yeah, I've got mine with the PS5 version of Spider-Man Miles Morales at the moment. That is the only game that can show the capabilities of the PS5. I know there are many more, but apparently this shows ray tracing, shows everything. But anyways, like I was saying, it's been such a long time, and the bugs, the faulty PS5s and stuff like that are probably gone, and this hopefully this one's gonna be the neat one. And plus, on top of that, I've got a 4K TV which I've been watching nothing but Amazon Prime 4K videos on it, but which I still don't think is fully 4K, because Amazon Prime videos 4K have been upscaled to 4K. There's only a few very limited original videos that are 4K HDR Amazon Prime, which I don't even watch, to be honest with you. I've been watching some old movies, but here it is anyways, guys, the PS5. I can't believe it. This is my first ever game console unboxing on my channel. And yeah, but anyways, let's just get the box out of the way. So here's the box of the PS5. It is absolutely gigantic, guys. The box is gigantic, not gonna lie. You can look at the close-up details of what's on the front of the box, and here at the side of the box, that's what you see. You've got all the details here, content, what's inside. And here's the back. You can pause the video and you can have a read and stuff like that. You're probably noticing I'm so calm today. It's because, first of all, it's a game console. It's a lot to talk about. And I'm also hyper. You probably can't tell, but I'm really, really hyper right now. I just want to set this bad boy up and go for it, man. Right. And here is the top, which has a handle to pick up. And also, it has a place which I need to open. So here we go. Oh yeah, main things main. I got this from the UK game shop for £4.99. I paid £19.99 extra for the high priority insured delivery in case of all them dodgy postmen do not run away with my PS5. So here it is. Right, for now I am gonna have to stand up, and there you go. So is there a box inside of the box? Is that it? Yes, it is. Dude, I'm so scared right now. I don't want anything to drop out of it. So it's a box inside of a box, and here we go. We've got another white box inside. And then, as you can see, you got another flap, which I'm gonna quickly unflap right now. And then it's showing instructions. So basically, it shows instructions there on how to pull out the PS5. So number one, it's showing I'm gonna have to do that, and then lay it on the side. Okay, here we go. So I lift it up like that. Actually, wait, I don't need to lay it on the side. But anyways, oh my god, guys. Wait, first of all, instruction manuals. Probably guarantee, warranty, stuff like that. Very important stuff. Keep that to a side. Now, here is the PS5 controller, which for the first time ever I'm gonna get my hands on. Dude, upon first glance, it feels absolutely amazing. It is so grippy, and the analog sticks, they've got this little kind of like a dent in it, so you can put your thumbs right in, and dude, your hands are not gonna slip. And this is my first time pressing the Adopt This triggers. Let's see how it feels. Well, so far, it feels like a normal PS4 controller. And I kind of wish the X, square, circle, and triangle button were color-coded, like all of the PlayStation, but it's alright. Pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. I'm loving the feel of it. It feels so much comfortable. And here's the back. You've got the you've got the AUX port, and you've also got that little I don't exactly know what they call, but it's basically where you can just lay down for the charger. And you've got the USB micro USB-C for fast charging and everything, man. Dude, I cannot believe this. I'm holding a PS5 pad in my hands. It feels incredible. But anyways, you know what, dude? Look, I'm just such a paranoid guy. I'm actually gonna keep this as a case for my pad. Right, back you go, man. Right. You also have a power cord cable, which I think the power brick is inside the PS5 unit, so it does not have a power brick. But this seems like I want to see how. You know what? I'm literally unboxing this and showing you the main points that you guys need to see. I want to see how long this cable is, because I'm gonna put it up on a floating shelf, and I want to know that if it fits properly. So this cable is, yep, it's fair. It's long enough. It's long enough. Yeah, I think it's about 2 meters. I think, does it say it on here? I don't know. This is definitely 2 meters. Definitely. I'm not good with my measuring skills and stuff like that. But this is definitely 2 meters. So I can put it up somewhere high. So what else do we have in here? I'm going to open this. We have the stand where you can put the PS5 in vertical and horizontal mode. Right here. And you can twist that around, I guess. And here is going to be the basically part where the screw is in. So that's such a beautiful feature there, guys. Seriously, it just shows that it's designed so well that if you're not going to use the screw, you can just just pop it in there. I'm not going to put the PS5 in the horizontal position. Is that the standing up position? But anyways, I'm not going to put it in that position because obviously, first of all, I've got no room to put it in that position. Second of all, even if I did put it in that position, I'm afraid that someone might knock it down. Now, this HDMI lead, wow, it seems pretty hefty, dude. It's got these big square chunks on each of the side. I do not know what these are for, because I got it says high speed HDMI cable. Right? Anything else? It says 80 Celsius, 30 volts. I don't know what else it says, but I'm not gonna use this because, as you can see behind me, I've got a 65-inch TV, and getting behind that is absolutely a pain in the backside. So I'm going to use the one that I've already got, which I ordered from Amazon, which is a 2.1 HDMI cable. Hopefully that will work. If that causes problems, I will use the original. Right, let's get this out. And oh my days. Dude, the absolute bad boy is in there, man. Wow. I can't believe this has come. Right, how am I going to get this out now? How am I going to get this out? Right, you know what? I'm not going to be stupid. I'm going to get this, at the moment, all I can see is the PS5 in the box. So, pause the video, and I'll be right back. I'm going to have it on my desk, and then you'll have a closer look at that. Right, guys, we are back, and we pulled the PS5 out, and there's literally nothing else left in the box. You got these two big, huge protectors, so off they come. I'm doing this really gently, guys. Seriously, this is so too precious for me. Oh, crap. That bang, I didn't like it. Anyways, here we go. And here is the first time I'm ever gonna look at a PS5 in person. I want to do this as gently as possible, dude. Dude, this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy, and this thing is absolutely gigantic. Check that out. And it's not pure white. It's got a bit of a grey tone to it, which I'm liking. Dude, this thing is huge. Right, I'm speechless right now. I'm just looking at the spot where I'm going to put it in, and I'm thinking twice, is it even going to fit there? Holy moly. Wait 1 minute. I don't like putting it like this, but I have to. Is that the right way? Dude! Yes, I got the disc version. There you have the PS5, dudes. And no, I'm not going to lie, this thing is gigantic. I've got nothing to compare it. Holy moly. But I've got nothing to compare it right now. Wait 1 sec. I've got a PS3. I can't get my PS5 out because it's disconnected. You got a PS3 here, by the way. There's the PS3 and there's the PS5. This thing is huge, man. It's beautiful, but it's huge. It's bigger than the PS3 fat. It's definitely bigger. Slimmer than the PS3 fat, but the same size. Already it's catching dust all over the bloody place. But anyways, as you can, if you have a quick close-up, you can see what we have here is HDMI. It's not blue. I don't know if that's 3.0 or not. You got a USB. I think that's a micro USB-C. You got two buttons. One's probably for power. One from for ejecting. And at the back, what we have here is two USB 3.0 ports. That's really convenient. So I can put a hard drive at the back for my PS3 games. You got Ethernet port. You got HDMI port, and you have also got the power slot. And there's also a little thing here, a little slot here. I don't know what it is. I think it's to deassemble it. I'm a bit surprised there's no optical cable, but it's alright. These days, nothing so you don't need optical cable because the optical cable gets plugged directly inside the TV. But it's looking so cool, man. It's looking coolio. And that's what it looks like from the back when it's on the side. And this is what it looks like from the front. Now guys, that's it for the unboxing. Yes, there was a lot more to talk about, but this is a really easy, fast, quick unboxing video that I did. You knew it. Even if you had a PS5, you probably wouldn't even be bothered to do an unboxing video. Right now, I just want to dive in. I've been waiting for months for this PS5. It's finally here. I'm so happy, guys. I'm just going to go in and play it. All new content you're going to see on my channel is going to be high quality, big thanks to this console, because the PS4 could not make 60 FPS 1080p videos. This bad boy will be able to do that, and from now on I'm gonna be live streaming from this, and it can be high quality content and everything. Please write down in the comments below any questions you have about this. Yes, it's huge, and I'm keep looking at my place. So I'm gonna put this. Hopefully it fits there. I have a feeling it might not, which is gonna be a big problem. But anyways, thank you for watching as always. Do not forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out, man.